Hi everybody, my name is Rachel and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the proper way to wash your clothes. And yes, there is a proper way. Persil Universal Mega Pearls, I feel, is definitely the best thing out there. This one right here is the authentic German version, and it has more enzymes than anything we have here in the US. It has 8 enzymes, and what we have here that is closest to it is Tide with bleach, and that has only 5 enzymes. So there is a bit of a difference. It has lime scale protection, which is awesome because with every wash, you're not only servicing your machine, you are also washing the tub of your machine with each wash. To sanitize your clothing, you'll want to make sure that the water temperature is somewhere between 140 and 160 degrees Fahrenheit. This stuff is so good that you can also wash and strip your cloth diapers. Yes, that's how good it works. A lot of problems that you run into when you're working with cloth diapers and the stripping of them is hard water buildup, mold, mildew, and bacteria, and this takes care of it all. Using this detergent, it works great. It dissolves easily. It does not leave any residue. I don't find any bleach stains. The clothes come out smelling fresh every single time, no matter how smelly your clothes may be. Your towels no longer come out stiff or crunchy. And I never have a problem with any fabrics fading or pilling. It just works absolutely great with freshening up your clothes. And with my whites, it really brightens them up. It takes care of all stains, unless if you have like a really crazy one, like a wine stain that you'll want to treat. It seriously takes care of all my stains to where I don't even treat my clothes. When using the product, what I do is I put half of the clothing in that I am washing, and then I add anywhere from 3 to 4 tablespoons, and that's it. And then I add the rest of the clothing on top of it to add in the next step. Next up is borax. Borax turns essentially into OxiClean. It is a great multi-purpose cleaner, and for this case, we're going to be using it for laundry. It is an all-natural mineral that you can find in all corners of the globe. As a detergent booster, it acts by raising the pH levels in the water closer to neutral, so this way it softens your water. As a laundry booster working alongside with the Persil, it helps remove tough stains, deodorize, and freshen. It is also good for removing mold, mildew, bacteria, and stains. After that, I put the rest of my clothing into the drum and I add in the borax on top of the clothing, and I put around about 2 tablespoons-ish. I just kind of pour it right on in, and it's about 2 tablespoons. Next up is vinegar. Yes, vinegar. I use it for my fabric softener and it works absolutely great. It is a natural, non-toxic cleaning marvel that kills mainly pretty much all household bacteria. It also dissolves hard water deposits and cuts through grime. It's just a natural fabric softener. Your clothes will not smell like vinegar. Don't worry. It just dissipates pretty quickly and the smell is gone, and it just leaves your clothes nice and fresh, smelling nice and clean, and also really soft. And you don't have to worry about the harsh chemicals that are put into fabric softeners because there is so many. Next up is the Calgon. Now, we use Calgon because we do not have soft water. So this is something that you're going to want to be using if you have hard water. It is excellent on removing and preventing hard water deposits in your fabrics and clothing. For this product, all you have to do is remove the cup from your tray or wherever you put in your fabric softener, and you want to put in about half a cup will do ya. I know and realize this seems like it's a lot of steps, but it really isn't. You know, everything seems like a lot when you're barely getting used to anything, really, anything in life. But after you start doing it a few times, it becomes a routine. And seriously, I don't even think I just add everything in really quick and I'm done. And this way I am ensuring that I know that my clothes are very clean and they will come out nice and fresh and fully sanitized. Doesn't matter where we're at, what we come in contact with, I can just make sure that it is clean and, we're not bringing home germs and all that. Once my clothing is all nice and fresh and clean, I then put it into my dryer where I have my dryer balls waiting for my clothing. And what I do is I put my favorite essential oils, a couple drops into each ball, and you'll just kind of leave your balls there for 30 minutes, about 20 to 30 minutes before you put in your clothing. And this way, once you put in your clothing and you dry them, it's not only tumbling with the balls, only making sure that your clothing is drying really nicely and properly and more quickly. Also, it is also making sure that there is no static, and also it just makes it smell really nice and fresh. And so you have really nice smelling clothes, soft and static free. I mean, what more could you ask for? All right, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If so, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below, share with a friend, and leave a comment. Thank you so much, and God bless. Bye.